Dear student, today I will solve exercise 2.1 in relation and function. Relation and function. Relations and function. Question number first. If order pair x upon 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3, find the value of x and y. So solution of this question: given order pair, since ordered pair are same, order pair are equal, therefore corresponding element are equal. So x upon 3 plus 1 comma 2 upon y minus 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3 1 upon 3. So according to this, x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 3, and also y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Taking corresponding elements are equal, x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 3 and y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Solve it. We find, taking LCM, x plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3. So 3 cancel out. X plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 minus 3, x is equal to 2. So therefore x is equal to 2, and also taking LCM, 3y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. 3 cancel out. So 3y minus 2 is equal to 1. 3y is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 upon 3 equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. This is answer. Question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B is equal to element have 3, 4, 5, then find the number of element in A cross B. So solution of this question: given number of set A have 3 elements and number of B element or B element have 3, 4, 5. So n number of element in B 3. So A cross B, number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Number of A cross B element have 9 elements. 9 elements. Question number 3. If given set G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to element है 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. Solution of this question: given set have element G 7, 8 and H element have 5, 4, 2. So now order pair G cross H is equal to G element has 7, 8 and H 5, 4, 2 element. So now we find order pair 7, 5, 7, 4 and 7, 2, and also we write 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2, 8, 2. So 7 order pair 7, 5, 7, 4 and 7, 2. Same way we write 8, 5 and 8, 4 and 8, 2. This is G cross H. Same way we find H cross G. So element have H 5, 4, 2 and G 7, 8. So now order pair 5, 7, 5, 8 and 4, 7, 4, 8 and 2, 7, 2, 7 and 2, 7 and 2, 8. So 5, 7, 5, 8 and 4, 7, 4, 8 and 2, 7, 2, 8. These are order pair H cross G. This is answer. Question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite given statement correctly. If first part, if set of P element have m comma n and Q element have n comma m, then P cross Q is equal to elements order pair m n and n m. So P set have 2 element and Q set have 2 element. Number of P cross Q is equal to 2 into 2, 4. This is not 4 order pair. This is false. This is false. False. Order pair P cross Q is equal to order pair m, m, n and m, m, and also n, 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 n and n, m. So order pair P cross Q is equal to m, n and m, m and n, and m. Second part, if A and B are non-empty set, then A cross B is non-empty set. The order pair x, y such that x belong to A and y belong to B. So solution of this question, this is, so number of set A is equal to 5 and number of element B is equal to also 5. So number of A cross B also 5. This is true. This is true. Third part, if given set A is equal to 1 to B set element have 3, 4, then A cross B intersection 5 is equal to 5. So solution of this question, A B intersection 5 is equal to B 3, 4 intersection 5 is equal to 5. So now A cross B intersection 5 is equal to 5. It is true. So according to this solution, this is true. And fifth part, if A set A have element -1, 1, find A cross A. Solution of this question, set A is equal to element -1, 1. So now A cross A is equal to, so -1 and 1 and cross -1 and 1. So now -1 and -1, -1 and 1, and also 1. So -1 and 1, 1. This is A cross A. Also A cross A is equal to, this is, so now write down -1, 1 and -1, 1 and 1, -1 and 1, 1 into cross 1, -1, 1. So now triplets order pair. So now -1, -1, this is -1, and also -1 and 1 and -1. So my 1, -1, -1, and also 1, 1, -1. So second order pair, so -1, -1 and 1. So -1, 1 and 1, 1, -1 and 1 and 1, 1, 1. So this is triplets order pair A cross A cross A. So -1, -1, this is -1 and -1, -1, -1 and 1, -1 and -1 and 1, 1, -1. and also minus 1 1 taken, and minus 1 1 taken, minus 1 1 taken as, and 1 1 1. So this is replace order pair of A cross A cross A. Question number 6. If A cross B order pair of elements AX, AY, BX, BY, find set A and B. So now solution of this question: A given A cross B is equal to element A X order pair, A Y order pair, and B X and B Y. So A first component of set element of set A. First component A, this is A, B, this is B. Element of set A comma B. Same way B is equal to second component of element B. So X, Y, so X comma Y. So X and X, Y and Y. This is answer. That's all. Thank you.